everyone, welcome back. Today we are gonna talk about computer or machine vision and image processing. These are two concepts can be confused between each other, so we are gonna see the difference between two computer vision and image processing today. Let's start with computer vision. It gives output which has meaning. So it tells us about the input image, how it looks like and what's inside that image and etc. information it will give us at the output. Image processing, it only processes the input image. For example, we are giving the image and at the output we are gonna get almost the same image. Just the pixels inside that image will be different than the input. That's all. And let's see with an example. For example, in a computer vision method we have and we are giving our bird image, and at the output we can get 99% bird, or we can get something masking this bird image, or we can get the rectangle points of that image belongs to that bird belongs to inside that image, or we can get some background information and etc. etc. The computer vision methods can give us as output. What about image processing? For example, this is the input image and I made some blurring operations in this image. You cannot see the difference most probably, but I did that already. So we are giving this input and we are getting this output. This is some operations, some transformations we are making to the input image, and we are getting at the output different than the input image. That's the difference between conceptually as with an example. If we wanna call in computer vision with a word, I can say understanding. Image processing, just a transformation and nothing else. And computer vision methods mostly uses neural networks, AI methods, convolutional neural networks, and etc. etc. But image processing uses basic operations such as convolutions, matrix calculations, and etc. The other operators is using also. This is the different methods which these two concepts are using. And first of all, for example, also the examples where we are using computer vision. We use that in face detection, object detection, depth estimation, text detection, barcode reading, etc. 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 In many areas we are using computer vision. And image processing, the transformation types, these are, we already talked here: sharpening, filtering, smoothing, blurring, transformation, pixel-wise operations, and etc. etc. For example, if we are gonna talk about from my YouTube channel, the most of them is related with image processing. For example, arc length, lastly we talk about find contours and histogram calculations, and for example the color conversions, and for example others, so distance transformations, blend linear, and segmentations, etc. etc. These are all about image processing. But lastly, for example, we talk about face detection. This is about computer vision concept. This is also computer vision. Barcode reading we can also call computer, aluko markers, hand gesture detection. These are all about computer vision concept. But we can say computer vision is more comprehensive than image processing concept. So image processing, we can say, is a subset of computer vision. This is the things we need. This is the thing we need to know very well. That's why I made bigger font, this one. So this is comprehensive than image processing. Basically, I think we talk about the biggest differences between these two concepts. I just wanted to share this video with you because this is an important. I think the terminology also important. We are always using that. I just wanted to talk. See you in the next videos.